Chef 234 we dey, Obonga program we dey, kitchen program we dey, chocolate we dey. Madamsabicook, she dey all campaign. For South TV, we dey all campaign. Chef 234, make we dey cook, make we dey chocolate, and make we dey belle full. Na me be Madamsabicook. For South TV, we dey all campaign. I want to make chicken toast. In my pot, I already have my cooked chicken. I cooked and fried it, so it has been in the refrigerator. So I want to melt it and make the chicken softer so that I can use it for the chicken toast. So I'm going to be boiling this for 10 to 15 minutes to enable the chicken to be very tender so that I can shred it and use it for my chicken toast. So I'm done boiling the chicken, so I shredded it. As you can see, I shredded it into pieces, and this one is cabbage. I chopped in tiny pieces. This cabbage is totally optional. If you don't want, you don't add it, but everything I am making, I always try to add a twist to my own. Be adding the chicken. I'm going to be adding the chicken into the cabbage. Then I'll add some mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'll add some sugar. After adding the sugar, you add your ketchup. Then at this point, you stir thoroughly to combine. So after mixing it together, then I'll spread my bread with some butter. I'll show you in the video. Bring in my bread and spread the butter on one side, the side that will be placed on the toaster. So I'm done spreading the butter on top of the bread. So right now, let's go to where the toaster is so that we can start toasting. This is the toaster. I greased with some vegetable oil. So right now it's time for us to start toasting. So what you do here, you take this place that has the butter and make sure you place it on the toaster, just like this. Then you add the chicken mixture, spread evenly on the bread. So guys, this looks beautiful already. Then you cover and make sure that the place that has the butter is on top, just like this one. Okay, so you do the same thing on this side as well. Spread. Then you do the same thing. Always make sure that the place that has the butter is on top and under as well. Then you cover. Then you toast this for up to from 3 to 8 minutes, or depending on when you get the desired result that you want. And it also depends on your toaster. So if your toaster toasts very fast, it won't be up to 8 minutes, but if it doesn't, that means you have to wait for up to 8 minutes or until golden brown. You know when your toast bread is ready. You bring it down. As you can see, our bread toast is ready. Now let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, guys, and make sure you try it out. I beg, and don't forget to subscribe, yeah. Until I come on way again, make una dey cook, make una dey chop late, and make una dey belly full. Now me, be Madamsabicook. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Chef 234 we dey, Obonga program we dey, kitchen program we dey, chocolate we dey. Madamsabicook, she dey all campaign. For South TV, we dey all campaign. Chef 234, make we dey cook, make we dey chocolate, and make we dey belly full. Na me be Madamsabicook. For South TV, we dey all campaign.